How much do drawing artists make? Today, we aim to answer the question of how much do drawing artists make and general artists as well. When considering choosing a profession, it is just natural to worry about the potential salary we are going to get. It is, perhaps, one of the most crucial parts of our job, as the salary we get will make up the amount of money we can live on. So, for people that want to become an artist, usually stereotyped as a profession that will leave you starving, the salary discussion is a touchy subject. In 2017, most artists that were categorized by the Bureau of Labor Statistics were reported to make somewhere around $49,160 in salary. Of course, even when it comes to artists, there are plenty of different types: sketch artists, visual artists, graphic design, illustrators. Most of these jobs usually offer a starting salary of between $50,000 to $75,000, depending on your negotiation skills, mastery of arts, and technique, among others. But art directors can make up to $100,000 in their first year. Another option is trying to make it as a freelancer, which has advantages and inconveniences. You can work and make as much as you want, but there is no job security, no benefits, and potentially no gigs if your skills are not polished enough. Want to learn more about drawing? KnowledgeableMind.com